Stop getting the wrong advice. Ensure you get the right skills for the right job for jobs in the Middle East. Contact Loy Macedo.
Okay, Jake Paul, that internet celebrity guy, and he has been alleged. It has been alleged that his girlfriend or whatever, some female, Paradise, I don't even know her name, man, Paradise something. So she has claimed that he forced her to have oral sex. Okay, I'll give you my thoughts about this one. Now, first and foremost, let me tell you, I'm not into Jake Paul's kind of content. Jake Paul and what is his brother's name? Jake Paul? Oh, I got his name also right. I don't even know. Okay, whatever, the Paul brothers. Okay, so I'm not very much into their content of pranking, and maybe kids and children like it and girls find them very hot, and okay, fine. So this guy, both the brothers had a kind of a house where they would bring all these young, attractive looking boys and girls, and they would prank them and have fun, and they would vlog all these series. Before, they were famous on Vine, and then when Vine was closing down, they moved over to YouTube. Now, right off the bat, I will tell you, even though I'm not into their kind of content, I have nothing but admiration for them, because they know how to make money. They are multi-millionaires. And even before you criticize them, keep this in mind, they are in their 20s. These two brothers, these two boys, started from the age of like 3 and 4 to learn to use a video camera. And by the time they were in their teens, they already became millionaires with millions of views. And they were so enterprising that they had their merchandise and selling. I mean, they are so business minded. Just imagine you and me in our 20s, what the fuck were we doing? So these people, these two brothers, Jake and, how come I can't get his name? Whatever. Okay, so they have really made their money. Okay, I have nothing but admiration for them, but I'm not into their kind of content, and I'm not a big fans of theirs, but I admire the business sense, I admire the branding. Exceptional, super intelligent, and they've learned how to remain relevant even after they had that they made the mistake of taking a video of a suicide, which didn't go out very well. Everyone wanted them deplatformed. They apologized, and then now he has started a podcast. He's trying to present a very mature image. He's trying new things. And they're also trying their venture into boxing, celebrity boxing. So where I took interest in them, one was when the controversies used to take place, because it was trending on the news. And yes, when he called out this MMA fighter for a boxing, Ben Askren, for a boxing match, then yes, I'm an MMA fan. I kind of got intrigued and interested, because it's very intriguing to know whether Ben Askren, who's not a boxer but a wrestler, can actually box and defeat this guy Jake Paul, he's really big. They're very athletic. Okay, so they have been in the headlines. Now all of a sudden this female comes out from somewhere and claims, oh, he forced me to have oral sex. Okay, now I'll tell you what I think. Google search this female's name, Google search her name, and you'll find she has a OnlyFans, some account, OnlyFans. Now, this OnlyFans website, as far as my knowledge goes, is a website where celebrities give you inside access to confidential and private stuff. Now, what are the confidential private stuff? As far as I've come to understand, it is, I think, naked pictures. Like I happened to see Belle Delphine sucking on a guy's appendage. It was just hanging and she was sucking, and so that's the kind of content you get. And then many of them are showing their vaginas and showing, naked. One of them is opening up her legs and putting stuff inside, and Okay. So that's what OnlyFans is. And I guess there is a fascination, there's a market for people who want to see them naked. Like in Pornhub, maybe you'll just see normal celebrities. No, not celebrities, normal people do porn. Okay, it's for free. But here it's like your celebrity or person you admire or person you want to follow, and you have a fetish or fantasy. You want to see them naked, you want to masturbate and whatever, fine. Okay. So this female, after I Googled, I wanted to check who she is. She has an OnlyFans account where introduction is, I'll show you intimate photographs of myself for my fans only. Okay. Now here's my question to you. My simple question. Okay, I'm going to break this down logically. And just so that you know, I don't like this Jake Paul, and I told you, I'm not into their content. I'm not a big fan of theirs, but I admire their business sense. Now, let's look at this female. This female is, if you look at her, she's young, she's in her 20s, she has all this makeup, hair and this and that. A girl in her 20s who's making money by staying with other guys, okay, for fun and all that, who's into all the attention, and who makes money showing her naked body. Okay, she makes money. Before the internet became mainstream, where we glamorize, like someone who does sex on camera, we call them porn star, or you know, the superstar or whatever. So before they became like this respected profession, we used to call them whores or prostitutes or cheap. We used to look down on them. Okay, because you know, you don't go around showing your genitals to people for cash. At least that's not a very respectable career path. So now this female shows her vagina, shows her body, shows everything for $1, $3. So what kind of character is that? Tell me, what kind of character is a female who ready to show you her vagina for $1? Simple question I'm asking you. Would you respect that kind of female who's ready to show you her vagina for $1, $3, $5? Or shows you a bum hole, or is ready to insert something in different holes of her body, or show you sex for $1, $3? What do you call such a person? Okay, that's the first one. Second one, she is crying oral sex. Oh, he forced me. How many years ago? Was it few days ago? No, it was 2 years ago. Okay. Number 3. So why you kept quiet all this while? Number 3 is, what is a trending topic or word online? It's Jake Paul. It's that MMA fight. When is the MMA fight going to take place? After a week. So what is the right time to hook yourself to that name and gain popularity? Now. Because if you do it after it's not trending, it's a waste, right? Okay, next one. You know, these females who appear like, oh, I got raped, oh, I'm so sad, this Me Too movement. And then you see this bullshit comments, oh, you're so brave, oh wow, go girl, go girl. All these bitches and sluts who sleep around and who do all the shit. See, I don't mind, you smoke, drink, whatever. You go fucking around with every sausage that you find, or the best that money can buy. What the fuck are you talking about character and, oh, poor thing, and shut the fuck up, yeah. It's like a prostitute saying, oh, he raped me. You open your asshole and your vagina hole for the best money can buy. You're ready to take things in your mouth, from body fluids to excrement. What are you complaining about? It's so stupid, man. As it is, so many things are going in the hole. What are you complaining about one more? And she should be grateful to Jake Paul, because she's a nothing and nobody. Her call to fame is her vagina, her bumhole and her sexual scenes. Jake Paul is a fucking genius. He knows how to capitalize on fame, make money. What is she? Without Jake Paul, what the fuck is she? And tell me, which What kind of a female would go and stay in a man's house for a contract where she can enjoy fame and popularity, but anything goes? See, the fact of the matter is, these celebrities like this guy Jake Paul, they are not holy. They are not saints. I'm not trying to say that this guy has never had sex, never fucked around, never did smoking, drinking, drugs. He must have done all this. He's no saint. But at least he doesn't pretend to be one and doesn't go around making fake stories. I really lose respect for women like this. And I have no fucking sympathy. I didn't even bother to watch her video because she's just trying to capitalize on this guy Jake Paul's fame, on what he has worked so hard for free publicity. She wants to promote her OnlyFans channel. See my pussy, see my bum hole. She's crying, oh, he did this to me. And she's inviting you to see her holes. She wants to sell her merchandise. Man, see, the thing is, stop falling for all this bullshit. These are cheap individuals who I wouldn't even, you know, the tissue that I wipe my asshole, you know, if I wipe my asshole and after shitting, I wouldn't even give that as charity to this female. They are that disgusting. So, I just, you know, this online media, they need eyeballs. So they put this and they try to make a big noise. And it's impactful, it works. That is why so many people ask me this, or what do you think of this? For me, Jake Paul is no saint, okay? The Paul brothers are no saint. Pretty sure they have had sex and intimate moments and done everything, twosome, threesome, tensome, whatever. But now, because she's not making money, she's not as famous, she's not as smart, she's not as intelligent as this guy. So she has to make easy way. So that's why after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, oh, he raped me, oh, he raped me. Shut the fuck up, man. These females, I lose respect for them. You take sausages in different holes of your body, you suck on them, you suck on multiple things, and then you, oh, I'm a poor woman, oh, poor me. Hey, you want to see my pussy for the $1? You want to see a hole? Fucking useless. So this is my opinion. This is what I think. You let me know what are your thoughts. Put your comments down below. This is me signing off. Alright? You guys take care.
I am a local. My name Shokhkal. I want job. How much? Salary? You give. Tamil?
Stop getting the wrong advice. Want a job in the Middle East? Contact Loy Macedo.